हेलो। हेलो। पृथ्वी सागर, पवन कुमार। हेलो।
Yes, ma'am.
You can hear me, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
A shared screen is visible for you people.
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Last class, do you remember what we have discussed? Last class. Anybody? These points we were discussing, no? Standalone application. Let others also join. Let others also join. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Rakesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, 1 second. Healing. Hello. Hello. Last class we have discussed about software engineering diversities. Okay. We were what is standalone? Anybody can tell me what is standalone, interactive, transition based application, embedded controls. Sheetal. Sheetal. Can you tell me about embedded control systems? Rakesh. Rupa. Jayant. Gagan. Manoj. Speak up, no?
Your screen is not visible.
It is not visible.
No, ma'am.
Others,
Ma'am.
other than Pavan Kumar.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Screen is not okay. 1 second. Again, I will share. 1 second. Wait. Okay. Now? Hello? Now is it visible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you tell me, last class we have seen software engineering diversities, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Can you tell me one about embedded control system here? Embedded control system. What is embedded control system?
Programmed electronics.
Gagan? Yes,
Yeah,
tell
ma'am.
me. Tell me what is embedded control system or batch processing system. What do you, anything you tell so that we will start now. Other than you people, anybody? What is batch processing system?
Multiple systems are
Manoj?
processed at once.
Okay. So now we were okay. Yesterday class we were discussing about data collection system. Here the time session was out. Okay, today I'm going to tell you about how the data collection system work. Here what happens? No, the system that collects the data from the environment using a set of sensors. Okay, and send the data to other system for processing. So what happens now for your for example your traffic signals? Okay, it works on based upon sensors. Okay, so if the green light is there, you are you are running your vehicle. If it is orange, you are getting ready, and if it is red means you're stopping. So here what happens? No, data collection means data is collected. Okay, this okay, with the help of sensors we are projecting the system to get processed. Same way software has to interact with sensor often. Okay, so how the sensors are work, actually it has been installed and put into the environment for the remote location. Okay, same way when we talk about systems of systems, what happens now here? The component here, the system that composed of number of other software system. So here we specially write the program. Okay, write the program according to the environment. Okay, and we run the system to system. So now you see here I'm communicating with you. Okay, other side you may be listening same communication using another system. So see what he is telling was, so running the system to system communication and getting the done work done. Got it? So shall I go to next slide?
Explain again, ma'am.
Which one you want?
System of system.
System to system interaction means here system which I am you using Zoom. I am a host this here. Using this system I'm able to communicate with you over there over your system.
Yeah, ma'am.
So this is called system to system, means here we will use some programming app, here we are using some application, here the media communication between you and me or you and my all students using a Zoom app we are communicating. So how we are communicating? The application is already there. Here I am using one system, here there you are using some system, right? The system may be in the form of laptop or your smartphone, anything. So communication is happening between you and me. Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am.
So this is called system to system, means okay what here it is programmed and we are able to communicate, we are able to run the system, we are able to. So here it is here we are using for education system. So here I am explaining, you are able to hear. So this is about system to system. Okay na?
Yes,
Okay, right?
ma'am.
Okay. Now I will go to software engineering ethics. So whatever we are doing, no, we have to follow some ethics. Okay. So some of the ethics are there in a software also. What they will say, no, here software engineering is carried with some social and legal framework. So what happens if you are updating any software? What do you mean by legal? Means once if I develop one app, if same app if you are developing, whether it is legal or unlegal, is it legal? If I have developed one app, okay, and I have published it,
Illegal, ma'am.
illegal. Okay, so that's why he is telling. So whenever we are doing some software engineering, we have to follow some ethics, we have to follow some framework. So in first point what he is explaining, some social and legal frameworks should be there. So some limits are there. If I am doing one app discovered by me, you can't do that one. Okay, other than me, other than my idea, you have a freedom to work on that area, but you can't develop the app which is already developed. This is about first point. When we go for second, what happens, no, you must software engineers, what you have to do, no, you have to accept your job involving the responsibilities. Okay, that simplify the application of technical skills. So what, no, whatever discipline, whatever acceptable job responsibility is given, you have to follow some techniques. Okay, suppose I am a lecturer here, so I have to follow some ethics. What, no, I have to come in time and come out of time. So whenever in my class is there, I'm engaging. So what is this? This is my responsibility. This is my technical skill. Okay, if you either the other than lecturing professor, if you are a software professional, so what responsibilities are there? What is the workflow? What is the protocol? You have to follow and accept your job to get the technically done correctly. Okay, so when you are doing job, some morals are there. So what are the morals? Okay, you have to respect your profession. Okay, whatever you are doing, you have to respect your professions. Okay, if I am a lecturer, I have to respect my profession. I have to do, okay, I have to do my duty correctly. So as a student, you have to study, you have to project yourself, you have to take up the exams, you have to do it. So we have to respect the moral values, we have to respect the and whatever we are doing, we should be honest and integrated towards our work. Okay, this is a normal, we should uphold our norm. Okay, what we have to do, yeah, we should be honest to our work. We should elaborate our work. We should be, okay, always in the learning okay, learn, okay, learning whatever, if a new technology is coming, yes, we have to upgrade ourselves. Okay, you should not so and then then you should not use your skill and abilities to behave in dishonest manner. Okay, yes sir. Okay, one okay, if you are appointed for any a professional job, you should be very honest to that job. So dishonest means you are disrespecting your professionalism. So these should be there. So these are the following ethics you have to follow. You understood this slide, no, students? These
Yes, ma'am.
points are were clear, right? Okay, when we go for next slide, what we have also, when we are talking about ethics, let us put into some definition forms. Okay, confidentiality. Okay, so what, no, whenever we are as an employee, we are working under some people, confidentiality, you can't explore. See, I so and so job is doing, so and so platform I'm using, you can't tell. The agreement should be in very confidential manner. So what, no, if the employee is working for a software industry, he can't, okay, give his confidential agreement or confidential decision made within the industry, he should not reveal to others. Got it? So if the person is doing, then he will be dishonest to his industry, and may he some legal action may taken by the okay, taken by legally, he may be taken some action towards that person. So what here confidentiality means, you have to respect the client, for client or employer, you are to the some industry, you have to sign the agreement. Yes, I will put whatever work I'm doing, I will, okay, it will be confidential, I will not explore to anybody. Okay, same way, when we say competence here, what, no, engineering should not misrespect the level of competence. Mean they should not knowingly accept the work which is out of their okay, suppose one work is assigned, even if you are not aware and you are giving that yeah, I can do, but also you should not misinterrupt. You should say, okay, what we are so what we have to accept it. Yeah, after some training I may do it. Okay, unnecessarily, yeah, I can do, and making the work the disrespect or doing the agreement in improper way, so it will be also out of competence. Okay, so when I go for intellectual property right, do you know about intellectual property right? Anybody?
That's someone's idea.
Okay, one person idea means what? No, patents. Do you heard about patents and copyrights? Anybody? Anybody
Yeah, ma'am.
patents?
Yes, ma'am.
So or no, if you are aware, so the aware of local law governing the use of intellectual property such as patents and copyright. Suppose if anybody is ready to keep on patent, okay, so what? No, that patent should get agreed. If it is agreed with your name, means it is your intellectual property right. Nobody should steal your patent. Suppose if anybody is doing your patent, then you can, okay, then you can say this patent is done my, this copyright is mine, okay, this is my intellectual property. You could also, if somebody is doing, legal action will be taken by them. Okay, same way computer misuse. One more point here they have added here. Computer means software engineering should not use the technical skills to misuse. So others people computer. What does here mean? See, they should not hack. Okay, so computer misuse ranges. What happens? No, some here they have given game playing or employee machines, or extremely or say extremely serious viruses. See, these all viruses hacking is done by the people. Okay, so done by some people only. So what we have to do? No, we should not misuse whatever technique or technology we have to use for benefit of our nation. So with these things should not be misused. Is it clear? So this is about okay, ethics, software ethics we have seen. Okay, in software ethics we have seen here, okay, how the ethics should be followed, how confidentiality, completeness, intellectual property right, and rights, and computer misuse. Okay, when we go for case study, do you know about what do you mean by case study? Okay, which is already happened. Okay, so this case study, yes, this was already happened, and we have got with some solution. So here one case study I will study, okay, and you have to respond to this what it is telling you. Okay, so here the case study is related to embedded system. When we talk about embedded system, means embedded, some hardware devices are programmed. For example, I told you, a mobile phone, your computers, your laptops, your tablets, all, and your microwave oven, what? No, these are all hardware parts, but they are being programmed. Is it clear? So here this is a system where the software controls a hardware device. Yes, right? Correct, no? So just now we have taken one example. So the software which controls the hardware devices all come under your embedded system. So first point, this is a system where the software controls a hardware device and is embedded in the devices. Okay, suppose issues in an embedded system typically includes what issues? Embedded. So it may get physically damaged. Okay, include our physical size, responsiveness, power management, etc. These are the issues related to your embedded system. Okay, example, a software system to control a medical device. Okay, when you go to hospitals, hello, 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 students, hello,
Yes, ma'am.
any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now the case study, you understood what is the case study it is telling, no? Here we are using one embedded system. You got to know, right? What is embedded system? Now you tell me, what is embedded system?
The software which is present to control the hardware and which is present inside the system.
Yes, you are right. So here we have taken an example of medical device. Have you ever went to the hospitals and taken one X-ray? X-ray you have taken, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what there we are using? Hardware part, but it is programmed with software control, no? Yes or no? Same way, some hardware parts, it will read your pulse rate. Yes or no? Okay. Same way, some hardware parts are there which will measure your temperature. So what I mean to say means here, so we are using some hardware parts for, okay, to get a control. So here he has taken one medical devices. Let me, okay, go in depth here. So what happens, no? I will give you some information, you would see here. This is a system whose primary purpose is to manage and process the access to a database information. Okay, What is this device primary purpose means? It should manage, okay, manage and access the database information or issues in the information system that include security, usability, privacy and maintainability of data integrity. What he is telling, no, he has taken one example of medical record. Okay, suppose if I am walking into some hospital, okay, nowadays what happened now, you have to register yourself. Okay, you after registering, you will get one unique ID. See, listen, whatever I'm telling, in future I am going to use this medical records, because in SC subject all medical instruments they have taken and explained you how they have controlled, how we will give the, okay, how we will calculate the pulse rate, etc. So here this case study used, okay, listen carefully. Okay, coming examples will be related to your medical things only. Okay, medical instruments which are using to the humans to record it. So here what I am taking the medical record means, I am walking into some, okay, some hospital, so I am getting registered myself. So when I am getting registered, I will get some unique ID, or I can register with my phone number. So what these people should do, no, they should not disclose my medical record to others, okay, without my permission. So they have to maintain my privacy, my security. Okay, so this is about information. Okay, so they should gather. Okay, this is the information. When I go for sensor based data collection means, what happens now here, this is a system whose primary purpose is to collect the data from the set of sensors and process the data in some way. Okay, the key requirement of such systems are reliability even in holistic environment condition matter. So what is now here, what happens no, sensor based, when we talk about sensor based, what happens no here, we will see the environment condition. Okay, what is the weather from weather station, before only we will get the, okay, so today it is going to rain, so some sensors are given to the device, and we will get prior only what is the environment, what it is going to happen at the next minute. Okay, same way, so here you understood. Here I will summarize the case study. What no, one embedded system is there, which is a system that where the software controls the hardware device. That is first point. Okay, he has taken one example of medical device. What happens here, no, when I'm walking into the any medical department, it is recorded. So how it is recorded, I had told example. So I will get registered myself, and my information should not be disclosed to anybody. So this is one hardware part. When I'm talking about sensor embedded system, one more thing is a sensor based data collection. So weather report, how you will get weather report using sensor, they will, okay, they will what, they will take the reading and put into the environment. See, within 1 hour it is going to rain. Okay, previously what happens when 10 years back, no, they used to tell after 24 hours after they used to give the report. Nowadays the technology has developed. If you google it, whatever next 1 hour, whether it will be sunny or rainy, yes, it will respond. The sensors has sensor based a collection of data has become very fast. So that's why example he has taken widerness of weather station. Okay, what is the weather? So this is about your case study, ma. Did you understood? It is related to embedded device, how it is working. That's it overall. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will go to insulin pump. Have you ever heard about insulin pump? Anybody?
Insulin shots.
Huh? 1 second, ma. HOD ma'am is calling. 1 second. I will go. One second. Hello students, sorry. Okay. Okay, have you heard about diabetes patients? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So what now these people should get frequently sugar checking they have to do. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what now? Here, so that's why I'm telling in the coming SC, all medical instruments they have taken and they have explained. First example, embedded system. I hope everyone has understood using that controls how they are controlling our mankind. They are showing. Okay, now one by one we will see insulin pump control. So what happens? No, this is a diabetic patient. If he goes, no, this okay, what it will do now? This system will take the sugar level, blood sugar level using a external meter and calculate the, so using that he will get some readings. After getting the readings he will consult to the so and so doctor and they will prefer how much they have to get injected. Okay, so the diabetic patient will take injection by himself. Are you aware, any students?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so what here, no? Okay, that is done. But here, what we have to do, no? How this machine is working. So what here, insulin pump control, what it does, no? It will collect the information from the sensor and controls the pump that delivers a controlled dose of insulin to a user. So, this injection. So what is this? Pump control is done by your embedded system. Okay, and it is helpful for a diabetic patient. Okay, he can monitor himself, he can calculate his sugar level. Okay, and dosage is given by the doctors. Okay, the problem with this treatment is that the level of insulation required does not just depend upon the blood glucose level but also the time of last insulin injection. See here, no, this diabetic patient, no, he should get frequently monitored. Okay, so what now, okay, in some hospitals, no, they will frequently monitor these patients. Okay, after monitoring they will put the, so what is the dosage they will calculate. Means suppose if he has taken the sugar level today and after 2 days they may take the dosage, and after like this. Okay, say these should be frequently monitored. Okay, so whatever insulin pump I'm using, no, it automates, it delivers. Okay, whatever sugar level it is there, it will select and give the reading, and that according to that appropriate dosage or insulin whichever is required, it is given to that so and so person. So what this insulin pump will do, so it will deliver. So what it will continuously, it has to check this patient. So what now, whenever diabetic patient is there, in general, summarizing, I am summarizing here, it should be, okay, continuously monitored and the dosage is continuously checked. Okay, and so what he is needed, sometimes it permanent attachment of needles also needed for some patient. So they have to see the levels and they will get the, okay, how much they have to okay, take the dosage. Okay, so these all according is, now I am showing the insulin pump hardware, you can see here. Now you can see the controller here, you can see the controller. One second. Now this is a controller, ma. So how, what is the controller? I told sensors. Here it will read. Okay, okay, whatever from the person, it will, from the sensor it will read the reading, and afterwards alarm. Why alarm I am telling? Free, these kind of people should frequently monitored. Alarm means whether he should be monitored every hour, whether he should monitor every 2 hours. Okay, okay, or every. Okay, in this machine, why the alarm is given, no? So you know where it so whether he has to monitor every 1 hour or every 1 day. Okay, every 1 day or 2 days or weekly once, depending upon the patient, depending upon the person. So that's why alarm means every, so what it will alert. So these every 1 hour, whether it is monitoring or it according to it is set. So same way, this pump. Okay, this pump. So here it will take the clock pulse. So here it will display the readings. It will display the readings. So okay, so what all the readings he got, whether the sugar level is high or low. Okay, here he will get. Okay, this is the summary. So this is summarized information. What I have to do. Then according to this, they have to how much insulin means how much dosage they have to go. I don't know, like, in the form of needles means they will inject and they will take the level. So after injecting here, one person will be injected, and after 1 hour again this process has to be run again. Suppose he is injected now with some dosage. Again after 1 hour, if you want to monitor, these all things will goes. Okay, these all things will run. Is it clear? Is it clear, this hardware part? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in this way it is working, ma. Understood? Also, this is the complete part they have given. Okay, just these sugar patients, they will put they will take the reading and they will write, but internally it is happening like this. So this is the insulin pump hardware part. Okay, when we go further, I'll go to next slide. Okay, now just now I told he will take the readings. No, now how the activity model means, it is showing the okay control how it is going. Now he will take the blood sensors. Okay, he will take the samples. See, whenever we are talking about diabetic patients, no, blood level, okay, blood samples are needed. So, okay, 1 second, let me put on. Okay, blood samples are needed here. Okay, again. Take this one. Here blood samples are taken. After this blood samples are given, they have to take the readings, right? They have to take an blood report will go to the blood blood bank. They have to take the reading. From there he will get the sugar level. Okay, then he have to compute in the insulin pump. Okay, what this insulin pump will advise him, okay, whether you have to compute the pump or else log the dose, means either whether this process is enough and he has to give the dose, or else he has to compute the pump data. So I told no why pump data, last example I told, whether he has to monitor continuously. If he has to pump the data, then he has to continuously monitor. No, whether the sugar level is normal, yes, okay, then give the give log some dose and insulin log is happening. So in this way it will work. Is it right? So what is overall I'm telling here, what happens, no, he is a blood sensors, what it will do, no, it will take the samples, analyze, and sugar levels are taken. Okay, and afterwards this insulin pump, computing insulin pump, it will decide whether he has to continually monitor and give the dose, or else he has to at this time he has to give the dose, and again he has to come to compute the insulin. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so what no here, how the parts are working, how these hardware parts are working. Okay, and how the patients are continuously monitored. Okay, okay, we'll go to next topic. Okay, one second. So whatever I have explained in this level, they have taken. If high level is there, so it will go to left part. If it is okay, it will go to right part. Same thing he has taken. Okay, see here. Next one is this mental health care. Okay, we will see this in next class or two. Okay, understood. Till now about insulin pump and case study, you people understood? Students, did you understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Got it now. So today I will summarize. Okay, whatever we have learned, it is related to embedded system which we are programming, and it is helpful for our mankind. He has taken an example of medical device, that is insulin pump. It is used for a diabetic patient. Done. Okay, tomorrow next coming class I will see the information of mental health. Do you know about mental health? What do you mean by the patient with the mental health? What do you mean, students? Those who are
If
suffering from? Those who are suffering from? Tell no. Mental health.
if they're mentally stable,
They are not mentally stable, right? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These patients, again, when I talk about these people, no, these patients, we have to again continuously we have to monitor these people also. Okay. We will discuss this about next class. Okay. Okay. Bye, students. Bye. Have a good day.
Uh,
Hmm?
uh,